Mr. Iron Trader. It is Sunday night. Now the futures open here at 6 o'clock. That was about a half hour ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell, stock, commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart and natural gas daily chart. So we'll take a look here at the crude ski first and see what's going on. Okay, this is going to be the key here. Is going to be this 8-day, like I've been pointing out here. We had that double top situation, came on down, and then we had a bottoming tail. Then what it is, we rallied up right into that 8-day. This one here went a little bit above, but you notice it closed below that 8-day in the same way here with Friday. Okay, see, so you had a nice good rally up here all the way to 83.74, which you look over here, you have 83.64. That was your resistance, came within 10 cents, a little bit above it. And now she pulled right on down. Now today, so far, we have what they call an inside day. Your high and low is within the inside day of the previous high and low. But again, this is really early. The day hasn't even started. Okay, so here's what we have. You got this trading range. Okay, so you look at the bottom. You got 81.58. That's your 21-day. And then we look here at 82.61. So we're going to be playing this range. Now you can see how this 8-day is trying to start to roll over here. So that's going to be tight. So it's going to squeeze one way or the other. Either it's going to squeeze up or she's going to squeeze on down. So let's just take a look at the downside first. Okay, so watch that 81.58. If that's lost, we're going to come right to the bottom of this candle here at 80.81. Okay, and then what we have here is you got 80.58. That's your 100 SMA here. Okay, so that's going to be very, very critical. Now, your next level here is going to be that 79.41 level, your 50-day, and then we have 79.11. If that 21-day and that 100-day is lost, this is the target right there. Very easy, okay? But just watch that 21-day at a closing basis. That's the key. Now, here's what we have is your 8 SMA here, 32.61, okay? So now, if we can get above that, then we're going to look right to the top of this candle. You're looking at 83.13. Then we'll look at Friday's high here at that 83.74 level. Then we can come up here. You have 83.93. You have 84.38. And then we have your big retest, 84.52 level, okay? But we got to see how it's going to shake out. But right now what you do is you got a trading range. So just trade that range until she breaks either up or she breaks down because you got good resist or support levels right here with your 100-day, your 50-day, your 200-day, and resistance levels. You break above that, then we have good resistance levels here all the way to that 84.52. Now RSI here, well, it's looking pretty. That's looking good. Looks like your green crossed over that red. And that's not a good sign. Okay, so that's usually a sell signal. But we got to see how that's all going to shake out. That could wind right back up here like we had here. You know what I'm saying? And to wind up again and then maybe come out and down. We don't know how this is all going to shake out. So let's just see how it is like on Monday, and we'll see how this shakes out. So two key levels. Upside, 82.61. Downside, 81.58. You break below, you got your 100, your 50, your 200-day. 8 SMA here, you break above. We go right here. You have 83.13. We have 83.74. 83.93. We have 84.38. Your big target, 84.52. Easy peasy. Okay. Natty gas. Well, you can see here, it's a whole lot of nothing. Okay, so what we had is we had this negative divergence going on right there. And then what we had is you had the green went below the red. That's a sell signal. And then what we have here is your 8 went below your 21-day. That's also a very, very bad sell signal because you went below the 21-day. You went below your 50-day, 200-day, and now this is basically it. So let's take a look at the downside here first. So what we want to do is watch Friday's low. You're looking at 2.24, okay? Very, very easy. That's basically just the bottom of that candle right there, 2.24. Next level is going to be right here, 2.21, and then here's your target is going to be at 2.17. That's it, okay? That's your downside. Unless, okay, big unless here, you lose that key 100-day, then what you want to do is you want to watch all this here, okay? So right there you have that 1.90. There's your gap. Then we have the fill all the way here at 1.67. Gap, fill, okay? So that's only if you lose that 100 SMA. This is going to be the target zone then, okay? But upside here, well, everything is just one thing right here, 8 SMA, okay? 2.33, okay? So this 8-day is coming on down. If you can get above that 8 SMA here, well, then we can do is we can just follow the candles back up. So what you'll want to do is you want to look here at 2.35, and then we have 2.38. You have 2.44, But this is what you're looking for is that 2.45. That's your 200 day. Right above it, we have your 50 day, 2.57, and then we have your 2.578, which is your 21 SMA, which looks like it's about to cross over that, which is always bearish. Just remember that. So you have your range here. Just look to Friday's low and then look to this 8 SMA here on the upside. You lose Friday's low, right here is going to be your big target. It's going to be that 2.17. Okay, very, very simple. 8 SMA, 2.33. You close above, right there, that 2.45, your 200 day, that's going to be your target. Okay, so we got to see how this is all going to shake out. But once you get below that, price gets below that 8 day, the only way we can do it is that price has to get back above. That's going to be the key. Now, contract roll here on natural gas isn't coming out to the 28th of the month. That's a little bit late. And then crude oil will be out next week on the 21st, okay, of the month, okay? So that would be the contract roll there on crude oil. But right now here, your RSI here, you're still not really oversold conditions. You could go a lot more lower than that. Your green here, that was a sell signal. You're still below. Looks like it wants to curl up, but that can roll right back down here. So you really have a whole lot of nothing here that you can see with these two. The whole key to everything, the upside, is going to be this 8 simple moving average. Okay, again, then you can go to that 200 day, and the whole key to it is going to be Friday's low. There's that 2.24. That's lost. Right there, 2.17. There's your target. Okay? Very, very easy. Okay, I'll be back here tomorrow morning here before 8 o'clock, and we will do it all over again. Now, remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want. Okay? A lot of times you say, oh, geez, natural gas is oversold here. I want to go there, and this is going to rip higher. Well, it might rip a lot lower before it does rip higher. Same way with crude oil. Just watch that 21 day, watch that 8 day. Okay? Trade that range until she breaks either up. You break up, you know where you're going, okay? You break down, you know where you're going. Just that simple. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow morning here before 8 o'clock. Thanks for watching.